Betatherm Kft. Bányai.
Betatherm Limited was founded by my father, Gábor Bányai, 35 years ago. We are engaged in radiator manufacturing with a product range that includes bathroom and room radiators. Our philosophy is that radiators, in addition to meeting technical specifications and providing heat, must also function as design elements in the home. This is why we define ourselves as a design radiator manufacturer. Innovation has always been important to us. In 2022, we established contact with TechCon, presented universal collaborative robots in a well-prepared and very convincing manner. We were very impressed by the possibility of robots and humans working cooperatively together in a shared workspace, enabling much more precise work. TechCon staff understood our production processes from the very beginning and were able to advise us on our needs. We have a total of 3 collaborative robot arms working for us. One of them supplies materials to 2 machines, effectively taking over the tasks of 2 employees, working efficiently and accurately. 2 other robot arms perform welding tasks in collaboration with laser welding machines, ensuring precise results. Our employees were able to learn their operation easily, resulting in a much lower scrap rate and a measurable increase in production capacity. Fortunately, it was an easily implementable solution. Practically, it was operational within a few days of unpacking. Its programming was easy to understand, and we received all the necessary support from TechCon. We had particularly good experiences with motion optimization. We were excited to start working with it.